What is the difference between Os.Path.Basename and Os.Path.Dirname? What is the difference between Os.Path.Basename and Os.Path.Dirname? I already searched for answers and read some links, but didn't understand. Can anyone give a simple explanation?
Both functions use the Os.Path.Split path function to split the path name path into a pair, head, tail. The Os.Path.Dirname path function returns the head of the path. E.g., the dirname of /foo/bar/item is /foo/bar. The Os.Path.Basename path function returns the tail of the path. E.g., the base name of /foo/bar/item returns item. From this URL.
To summarize what was mentioned by Breno above. Say you have a variable with a path to a file. Os.Path.Basename path returns the string myfile.py. And Os.Path.Dirname path returns the string /home/user/desktop without a trailing //. These functions are used when you have to get the file name /directory name given a full path name. In case the file path is just the file name, e.g. instead of path equals .py you just have myfile.py. Os.Path.Dirname path returns an empty string.
Linux/macOS. Windows. Image sources, Linux/macOS, Windows. Note that since Python 3.4, one can use pathlib.path, as explained on this URL. Linux/macOS. Windows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.